on my Xbox 360 Slim 4GB. This, or you can't see it now, but hold on. I unplugged the power. Hold on. I hate this power thing. Okay, well, now it's all plugged in, so let's see if it worked. LEDs. One, two. I made this. This was the original Xbox. I'm not done with the front LEDs. I'm gonna put that blue. And Antec blue LED fan. I recommend getting it. It works great. Just that my Xbox is really messed up. Down to, this is like customized all the way down to the CD drive. It's clear, I made that. But you should make yours cleaner. I just made this quicker because it's my first mod. Okay. Then this message pops up. The Xbox 360 console is designed to automatically shut down to protect it from insuffocation federation. Like other which, as you can see, this, if you can't see, can't really see because the lights are off, but there's a vent right here, like where your hard drive goes. There's a little, it looks like it's a vent, but that's not a vent. The vent is here, where LEDs, and on the top over here, which is perfectly clear. So I have no idea what this is talking about. Where's the button? Where is the button? Crap. There it is. Forgot. Okay. So now it's all signed in online. Let's see if it worked. Because it's clearly Black Ops. Now let's see if it worked. That's the only thing I hate. Spin it up. And you see where the laser is? Right there. You wanna keep a metal piece there. But I didn't for some reason. I forget why. Okay, let's see if it worked. This took 2 days to do. 2 days. Okay, it goes through all this. Let's see when it freezes. And you can see where it freezes on the disc. Because it has... Well, is it gonna work now? Let's see if it finally works. Let's see if it works. On. Sorry. holding it at an angle. This is the only way to definitely see if it works. See if my console actually is unbroken. Wait for this game to start up. Sorry guys, this is kind of a longer video than normal. Well, not really, because I don't really do a video. I uploaded like 4 in one day, and right now it's like 2 in the morning or something. Yeah, but I love this console because I made it myself. Well, I didn't make the Xbox, but I made the case myself, and I've been thinking about putting one on eBay that comes with the case with the LEDs built in and maybe the fan. I'm not sure. Maybe the fan. But yeah. And then, yeah, when I get it on, eBay, then I'll put up a video on how to install them and link your fan if you buy one, or maybe I'll sell one in it. Maybe I'll sell one in it. Okay. Let's see if it works. Okay, hold on. I can't really hold this and play. And it looks like it works. Okay, peace, guys. That's a fix, I guess. It's a fix. Just let your Xbox Slim sit for a while. Unplug the power device. Unplug the power cable, and yeah, and then it should work like mine did. Peace.